Alright, Brad, BMX Holcomb here. I'm going to do a quick bike check. Up top I'm running morphine bars, 8 1/4 rise, 29 wide. Morphine, they're a race company, but I got them from a friend after I sold mine for pretty cheap, and they're really nice. I like them. My stem, it's a stock Verde stem, but I don't know, I haven't had any problems with it. I flipped it upside down for extra height. Headset, I have a FSA Impact headset, 3 spacers in there, so my bars and everything are taller. I like them tall. My forks are Fit Shiv 2 forks. They're really nice, light. I have no problems with them. There's a couple little scratches on them from foot jams and Vaders and stuff, but I really like them. My front wheel is a Demolition Zero rim laced to a Demolition Bulimia hub, and I can seriously just roll it by hand when it's flipped upside down, and it'll keep rolling for about 10 minutes. So I love it. It rolls great. My tires, they have great grip. I got them new after some of my old ones got worn down. They're Haro tires. I don't really know the exact name of them, but they're Haro, and I got them for $5, and I really like them. My frame, Fit Eddie Cleveland signature frame. I got it from a guy who rode it for a while, but you know, he's old and he's older and he doesn't do a lot of tricks, and he just got a new frame, so I got it really cheap. It's still pretty much brand new. I got it for about $150. My cranks, Redline Device cranks. They're reversible, so I can run right or left hand drive, and it's great. My sprocket is a stock Verde sprocket. It's old. I'm planning on getting a new one soon, but I mean, it still works fine. My chain, KMC 410H chain. Not really any problems with it. It gets stretched out a little bit, but it's fine. I like it. My back wheel is an Odyssey 7KA rim laced to an Odyssey LHD hub, and it's 48 spokes, left-hand drive. My last wheel I had, I broke probably about 18 spokes off it from trying to learn tail whips, and I just wanted a wheel that's stronger. I don't really mind that it's a little heavier than 36 hole, but it works. Left-hand drive. I grind on my right side, and I had some troubles with my sprocket when I used to ride right-hand drive, so I switched over to left. Pedals, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I like them. They work pretty well. They're getting worn down. Probably going to get some Odyssey JCPC pedals, because those are awesome. Seat is the Volume Pivotal seat. Really, it's ripped a little bit, but I like it. And then my seat post is just stolen Thermalite seat post. I like it. Gets the job done. Not really any problems with it. I have the Motivate sticker on there. Morphine. I have a Redline sticker because of my cranks. The Device sticker down here. And then a Fit sticker I just put on there. So, yeah. And that's my bike. Basically. I love it. Rides solid. Yeah.